Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a song with SongMaker. This is a program put out by Google with Chrome, and it's just a basic learning tool to try and get people familiar with music functions using note and rhythm patterns. So to start, you're going to want to search in your search engine SongMaker, and you're going to want to go to the one under Music Lab, Chrome Music Lab. And once you find that, your site should look like this. So we'll start by just going over the basic functions of the website. So as you can see, it's set up kind of like a grid, and each box is going to represent a different note. So it's the default setting, it starts in the key of C, so it starts at C and goes to D and just goes up note by note. And each note is given a different corresponding color. So you can have C down here, and then up here, you're going to have C an octave higher, and you know it's C because they're both red. Down here is your option for percussion instruments, and you'll have the choice of one of two sounds that you can add in. If you want to change your instruments, you go down here, and this is where you can change your percussion instrument. So there's a variety of different options just to change the sound of the instrument. And then over here, you can change your main instrument. There's piano, strings, woodwind, and it's just going to change the sound of this. So down here you have your tempo, and that controls how fast or how slow the song is. So depending on the speed you want it, you can change the tempo. Over here in the bottom right corner you have the mic, which is where you can record your voice and add it into the song. And then to the right of that you have the settings, and that is where you can change basically the layout of the grid. So you can add more to the length or add more beats per bar, and that's going to look like this, and it'll just give you a little more room to experiment and add more into your song. Over here, you can change the key. Like I said before, the default setting is the key of C, and there's a variety of different major and minor keys that you can change it to, which will just change the note pattern. So over here is just an undo button. If you make a mistake, you can go back and fix it. And then when you're finished, you can press play and listen to your song through and see how it sounds. So you can edit it. And then once you're finished, you can go over here and click save. And it's going to give you a link, and you can then copy that link, and so you can go back to it and edit it or just listen to it. And that's how you make a song on SongMaker. Thanks.